What's going on, folks? I wanted to make this video to show you what you can do just in case for some reason your dishwasher won't start allowing water to come into it. Most likely what's wrong with it is that your dishwasher inlet valve is bad. When this happens a lot of times, what will happen is the water will constantly run into your dishwasher and also flood your house because it won't stop. So what you will need to do is go ahead and turn off the water that's going to your dishwasher. The problem is a lot of times you'll have like a three-way up underneath your sink that pretty much allows the water to go to, say, your hot water as well as to your dishwasher. So what you're going to need to do is go up underneath the sink on this one. If you can see up underneath here, the first thing you'll want to do is find your hot water, which most likely was going to your dishwasher. You want to find your hot water valve, and you're going to want to turn that off. The one on this house is right back over here. You want to turn off the valve. It's just going to look basically just like your cold water valve like this that you want to turn off. And then once you turn it all the way off, what you're going to want to do is follow the line. If you can see this one right here, if I come over here, you see that line coming out. It's going around over there and it's stopping right over here. That's the line pretty much. It's going to the dishwasher. So what I'm going to be doing pretty much is just taking off that line right there, and then go ahead and put a cap on it. That way I'll be able to use my hot water again without worrying about the water going to the dishwasher and basically potentially flooding your house or just constantly running. So you want to know what size that you have. This one right here is a 3/8. Yeah, that's a 3/8 right there. So I'm going to be doing, like I said, first you want to do is turn off your water supply to it. So you'll see like a valve that looks like this. Go ahead and turn it off to your hot water. Once you turn that off, I've already loosened this one up. Then what you're going to do is probably come in with a monkey wrench or something like that and just take off this valve right there. Go and take that line off of it, and then you're going to go ahead and cap it. Now once you get that done, what that should do is stop the water from going to your dishwasher. Now of course eventually you're going to have to go ahead and get your dishwasher repaired because, like I said, most likely it's going to be an inlet valve problem. But before you go through looking like that, what you should do first is just check all your settings on your dishwasher. Make sure to accidentally get like set to something to where the water's supposed to be coming out. So make sure you go through and constantly check it to make sure that it is your valve, because you'll have to have somebody come in and repair that. But in the meantime, like I said, while you're waiting to get that repair, you don't want to have your water shut off to your sink, because normally it's like it's a, if you could kind of see over there, it's like running to a splitter to where you have one going up to, if I can get a better view. Yeah, you'll have one right here that's going up to your faucet itself for the hot water. You'll have that bottom one down there that's actually going to your dishwasher. Like I said, just follow that line all the way over. You should see it like going into the side of your cabinet, and that's how you know that's going to your dishwasher. And once you take that off, you go ahead and cap it. I'm gonna show you that now. All right, you can see right here, I've already loosened this one, so I can basically just turn it off. There may be a little bit of water still that comes out of it. And this one is a 3/8. You want to make sure you know what size that your line is. So that one is a 3/8. You see water still coming out of it. So what I have right here is a 3/8 cap. So all I have to do now is just take this one and I'm going to screw it right on. I'm going to screw it right on to here where I took off. Just like that, where I took off the line that's going to your dishwasher. Now I'm going to take the monkey wrench and tighten it up really good. But that's what you would need to do to go ahead and stop your dishwasher from constantly filling up, even when your dishwasher is not on. And like I said, most likely your problem is that you have a bad dishwasher inlet valve that's not stopping the water from coming in when it's supposed to. So like I said, what you'll need to do to go ahead and have access to the rest of your water, like to your sink and stuff, is go ahead and take off that line that's going to your dishwasher and go ahead and get you a cap that you'll put on there and tighten that cap up on there. That should stop the water from going over there until you're able to get that dishwasher repaired. All right, once again, this is what you would need to do if you have a dishwasher that won't stop letting water into it. Most likely your inlet valve is your problem and you'll need to repair that. But until then, you can disconnect your line that goes to your hot water normally and go ahead and cap it with a cap, and that should take care of your problem. All right, folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.